Hi guys, it's me. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, we're gonna craft our own flying rocket with just paper cups. You heard that right. With just paper cups, we make a rocket that actually flies really high in the sky, like a real rocket. And this is very simple. Even a 4-year-old can make it. So let's get started. So here's what you need. First of all, you'll need the paper cups for the body of your rocket. You'll need 1 paper cup for the nose cone of your rocket. You'll need tape, some scissors, and a glue stick. This is optional. You also need some markers or crayons to color your rocket however you want, but this is completely optional. If you don't want to color your rocket, that's fine too. And finally, you will need something heavy, like some sort of metal object, to put at the bottom of your rocket to make it go higher when you launch it. The first step is to cut out the bottom of both paper cups. So you'll end up with something that looks like this. You see, this is what you need to start with. Now take one of the paper cups and place it inside the other paper cup. So it looks like this. Now take the edges of the paper cup that are sticking outside and fold them inward like this. So you see the edges of the paper cup are now sticking inside the other paper cup. Now do the same thing from the other side. So you have to fold these edges inwards so they stick inside the other paper cup. So now you have something that looks like this. Now take the top part of the paper cup that we folded inward. Take that part and fold it slightly upwards like this. Again, do the same thing on the other side. Now take that top edge and fold it slightly downwards like this. Do the same thing on the other side. So you should end up with something that looks exactly like this. Now take the edges of this top part and fold them inwards again, so they stick inside the other paper cup. This is very important. You have to fold them inwards so they stick inside. Now take the sides of this rocket and fold them slightly inwards like this. Make sure you do both sides. It should look like this. Now take the bottom of this rocket and fold it slightly upwards like this. And this is how you make the body of your rocket. This is how it should look like. This is the back. This is the front. And this is how you make the body of your rocket. Now let's move on to the nose cone. Cut out the bottom of the paper cup. Now take the paper cup and roll it. Roll it tightly like this. Take the edges and stick them together using some tape. Stick them together using the tape. Now you have to cut off the excess paper that is sticking outside. So cut off the excess paper. Now you have to cut out a small piece of paper that fits perfectly at the tip of your nose cone. So this is the nose cone. So you have to cut out a small piece of paper that fits exactly at the tip of your nose cone like this. This is how it should fit. Now, take some tape and cover the tip of your nose cone like this. Make sure you use enough tape to make it strong. And now take that small piece of paper and place it at the tip of your nose cone like this. Cover the edges of the nose cone using tape. And this is the nose cone. Here's how it should look like. This is the tip of your nose cone. And this is how you make the nose cone. Take the nose cone and place it at the tip of your rocket like this. Now take some tape and cover the edges of your nose cone like this. Make sure you use enough tape to make it strong. And that's it. That's how your rocket should look like. And now, let's move on to coloring your rocket. Color your rocket however you want. Color the nose cone. Color the body of the rocket however you want. This is completely optional. But if you want your rocket to look nice and beautiful, then you should definitely color your rocket. Now take the bottom of your rocket and remove the bottom part of your rocket. And now take that metal object that we set aside. Place it at the bottom of your rocket to make it go higher when you launch it. And now place the bottom part of your rocket back on the rocket. This is how you make a flying rocket with just paper cups. Let me show you how high it can fly. Guys, watch this. Isn't that amazing? Look how high it flew. It flew super high in the sky like a real rocket. And this is it. This is how you make a flying rocket with just paper cups. So next time you have some paper cups lying around, next time you want to play outside and have some fun, then you know what to do. you know how to make a flying rocket that actually flies super high in the sky. And please don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And please share this video with your friends so they, too, can make their own flying rocket. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.